Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make a GIF from a YouTube video. Go to Giphy.com and click Create. Add the web address of the video you'd like to make into a GIF. Find the part of the video you'd like to capture, and choose the length. Optional step. Decorate your GIF. Optional step. Add hashtags to your GIF. Upload your GIF to Giphy. The 13th of May 2019.
Take our lead.
Just upload an animation. Enter your text. Choose font styles. Then press the Add Text button to perform the conversion. Supported file types: GIF, JPG or PNG. Tips: double-click on the text layer you created to edit it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Giphy is dedicated to providing a fun and safe way to search, create, and share the best GIFs on the internet. Giphy GIFs, once indexed, can be seen by anybody using Giphy. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of the type of GIFs that are appropriate for the site.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do I make a GIF from images? Upload images. Click the Upload button and select as many images as you want. Arrange images. Drag and drop the images you selected until you get them ordered correctly. Adjust options. Adjust the delay until the speed of your GIF looks normal. Generate.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.